Hello guys, welcome to a video where today I'm a superhero. I'm sorry about that in the background. Why does Spider-Man have a sharpshooter? What's wrong with Spider-Man today?
What? Huh? What? Not me.
Okay, I was just playing this a little bit before. That's why I have so much. What? It's so expensive. You like my dagger? Look how much this can take down with one shot. Look how many bullets that fills with. I hate how it's dead silent though. Hey, man, I'm sorry. Taking your time on this. Hey. Goodbye. Finger shots more times than me. She's not gonna escape me. Escape. Bye! There's two things open. I am the Black Panther. What the heck are they shooting out there? I think that kind of ruined my mic. Howard. Really? For real. Animal claws. Do I just walk up to people? Oh wait, no. What a weird noise it makes. Is it like an animal with congestion? Hey. Somebody get this animal some Tums. What the heck is that animal? Is it like a dying goat? I'm sorry, I do not carry on people's death list. So of course their guns will make sound, but mine won't. Wow, game. That looks awesome! The robo arm cannon. It's 25,000. 25,000? What the heck? Rawr. That robo arm cannon looks sounds awesome. So, okay, now I have enough for the robo arm cannon.
Mom said you don't have a choice. You just sit
I didn't do anything.
down. You want to control her?
This is not a robo arm gun. See, it's not on my arm. It's just like the thing looks way bigger than it actually is. I'm gonna spend a ton of money on a small thing. Does it even one shot? I'll test it on this dude. Just standing at his blocker. Banana block. Wow. 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 This server's dying. Hello. What battle would this actually win? Has pretty fast reload. It's 3 shots. But, I mean, I haven't tried these things out. These one shot. These were only 3,500. Wow. Well, no, they 2 shot. They 1 shot the first round. Is this like multi-universe Spider-Man or something? There's so many slots open. There's 4, wait. There's 4 slots open. And there's 6 buildings. You know, Spider-Man, that actually burns the skin. So please stop doing it. I don't want to get rashes everywhere because of you, Spider-Man. Please stop hurting me with that. It burns. I want the magician's cloak. I'm gonna buy walls. Oh, bye, guys. See you